Are you an AMZ seller? Do you find it difficult to understand customer needs, define market segments, or even know your competitors' advantages? Do you want to increase your sales and ensure a higher conversion rate? Introducing Shulex, the intelligent customer research and product insights platform. With Shulex, you can quickly uncover customer demands and analyze the market competition. Our powerful AI capabilities allow us to develop products that meet customers' needs rapidly. We also provide data references for designing functions and critical attributes of products. With our robust analytical data, businesses of any size can run more efficiently. We provide data references for design functions and critical attributes of products to give you an understanding of the market demand trends for product research. Our advanced analytics enable accurate segmentation analysis that helps you better understand customers' needs, buying habits, and behaviors. Plus, with Shulex's comprehensive competitor analysis tools, you can gain valuable insight into other sellers' marketing strategies to help define your own. Take advantage of this one-time offer now and make 2023 the best year yet for your business. Get up to 50% off when you choose Shulex. Don't miss out, this sale is only available for a limited time. Start making smarter decisions today with Shulex. Sign up now.